Another fish photo? Why are men obsessed with holding fish? Are you dating or applying to be an Aquaman? Or looking for a woman who can cook, clean, and keep me humble? Sir, I'm looking for someone who knows what a therapy session is. I can't do this anymore. What's this? Metal, blind dating, no profile pics. So you are telling me I can connect with someone's brain before I see their beard? That's revolutionary. I'm in. So I downloaded the app Metal, right? Blind dating, no photos, just conversations. At first I thought, okay, this is either gonna be amazing or I will end up talking to a man who thinks vibing is a personality trait. Anyway, I matched with this guy. Let's call him Mystery Guy because obviously he had no face. That's the point. His first message, he asked me, "What's your most toxic trait?" Not even a hello, straight to the darkness. I liked him immediately. So I told him I rewatch old arguments in my head and win better every time. And he goes iconic. I think I'm funnier than I actually am. At that moment, I knew this man is either my soulmate or a menace, possibly both. Then we started playing these random icebreaker games on the app. One was like, would you rather give up pizza forever or be stuck in a group chat with your ex and their new partner? I said, can I just disappear into the sea? He said, no, rude. But y'all, the banter, immaculate. He was quick, sarcastic, and emotionally unstable in the exact way I find comforting. Oh, and get this, you get to choose a metal mask like bronze, silver, gold, platinum. I picked platinum because I enjoy drama and soft lighting. He picked silver because he said he was humble but shy. Like, excuse me? Who writes like that? Anyway, a few conversations in, he asked if I was ready to reveal. I told him, sir, we just emotionally bonded over pineapple pizza and our shared fear of group chats. Don't rush greatness. But after like 2 weeks of top tier conversations and him calling me mentally expensive, I caved and I said, okay, let's reveal. So we counted down together. 1, 2, 3. Boom! His face appeared. And y'all, I gasped out loud. He was cute. Like should have a warning label cute. And the worst part, he gasped too. We both gasped. It was giving mutual delusion, but also a real possibility. He was like, I was already obsessed with your brain. This is dangerous. And I was like, now I have to figure out if you snore. So yeah, now I have a crush on a guy who made me laugh before I even knew what his jawline looked like. What do we tell our grandkids? Is this what healthy dating feels like? I'm scared. Moral of the story. If you are tired of swipe fatigue, fish pics and DMs that start with what you do, download Metal. It's blind dating, but with depth, drama and surprisingly attractive strangers.